something.
Oh, I do see it now.
Oh.
Yeah, turn.
I don't think. Let's see. Oh, we can see it.
Okay. So if you want to get in, and then I'll start tapping and say hit it.
Okay.
And we'll see if it goes. Well, you come over here. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm ready. No.
It's not even clicking now.
Yeah. It's still clicking.
I couldn't hear
Yeah,
it.
I don't think you can hear it because I'm banging.
Oh.
See if I can reach the top of it.
Oh.
This side. No. Yeah, you can't reach this side of it. That's definitely
Mel down there working away. Hey!
I think the transmission had it locked. I think a bad ground and came out and engaged and locked the teeth. So by putting it in neutral and back and forth, it allowed it to unfree itself. That to work, right?
I'm following that.
Thank you, man.
I love when I can earn my subscribership.
Is that your shop?
No, this is our friend Mel. It is his shop.
He's a local
Yep.
design, but he's rapping.
Yeah, he's doing.
He's doing all of our vinyl. Okay.
He's awesome. If you can think it, he can do it.
Yeah, if you have anyone that's ever getting in business and they need signage, he's the guy to go to because I've been at least 10 trying to get this project done. You're welcome. Have a blessed day. You hunt? I just hope a blessed day.
I'm a hugger too, man. God is good.
You guys
Look at
are
there.
awesome.
Hey, go run.